can just drop by there anytime. You can ask Jeron to come with you and have coffee somewhere near our Cebu office. And then for Manila office, and if ever po nasa Manila po kayo, you can just message Georgia or me po. Our office is located beside Japan Embassy. So this is the Antel Seaview Towers condominium. We have two offices po, 14th floor, Tower A, and Tower C, 21 floor, 21st floor. So if ever po you will come to Manila, please message us and maybe we can show you our office in Manila. So for our first departure, this is the also most saleable. Before po, last year, we put this, the first actually departure is Macau Zhuhai. So, nung nag-post po kami last, I think June, 2 departures only, naging sold out po siya for 2 days because of the price, 249. And then for the agency, we give 40 USD. So parang 210 na lang po siya lalabas. And then, that's why po, starting from June last year, Sir Jerry already booked a lot for this departure until today. But most probably, some of these are already sold out. So, every time po na magkakaroon kayo ng booking, please make it sure to call Georgia or Jerome for the availability. I-explain ko po later. So, we have Macau Guangdong for 259, same. Tour fee po is, this po is the available date, September, October 31 to November 4. Nilalagay na po namin dun sa detailed itinerary yung child without bed. We usually send po yung departure availability. You can ask Georgia po. Kasi dito po sa availability na to, you will see all the detailed flyers and all the detailed itinerary. Kasi minsan po, hindi po nakikita ng mga agents yung sinesend na link ng aming mga marketing. So, below po dun sa link, makikita niyo po dun. Kasi minsan po, some agents are calling us just for the child rate, for the single supplement. So, everything is there na po. If you will just click the link below, and kung gusto niyo pong mag-post, minsan po hindi po kayo sa amin ng flyers, nandun na rin po siya lahat. I will show later po. So, for this one, it's just an ordinary Macau Guangdong, 5-in-1. For this one po, most of you asking for the visa. This one have 144 visa. What is 144 visa? 144 visa is you can enter for 144 hours only. So, in Macau po tayo, and then, from Macau, Manila to Macau, and then yung pasahero po na darating sa Macau ay dadalhin po tayo sa border. So, from the border po, ay magpapas po sila ng immigration. Yun po yung medyo iba po dun sa group visa when you come to China, Shanghai, like that, Beijing. For this Macau Guangdong, all the Macau Guangdong, Macau Zhuhai, Shenzhen, like that, when you enter the province of China po, I will just explain. The 144 visa, you don't have to pay for it. We are the ones who pay for the 144 visa. Since makaka-enter lang po sila for 144 hours. So, ibig sabihin po, pag napagkalapag po nila sa Macau, the tour guide will be there, and then you will go to the border, and then after the border, dun po sa list ng names, it should be followed. So, every time to po na magkakaroon kayo ng passenger, we have to explain that the first name in the visa should be the first in the line. Kasi minsan po, sa atin po, usually immigration, diretso lang po tayo sa Pilipinas, kung ano lang po yung pila. But for our departure po, 144 visa, we have to follow kung sino po yung nasa number. Ganun po, medyo mahigpit po pag ma-enter po tayo ng province of China. So please explain po, we have 144 visa, no need to pay for the visa. Iba po yun sa group visa and 144 visa. Para po ma-explain ko lang po in detail each spot dun sa departure namin sa Macau Guangdong. So for this one, we have Macau Guangdong, the commission is 40 USD din po. So if ever po meron kayong pasahero, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin, and then pwede nyo rin pong baguhin. You can also change our flyers. Some of the agencies is trying to change their flyers and then post it in their Facebook page. Kasi po, mostly po, yung mga flyers po namin ay wala pong logo. So you can just post and then meron na pong commission yan. Lahat po ng sinesend namin sa email nyo ay lahat po with commission already.